the 29th of December 2021, a special program had been organized by Shlem Iarap Kiba Duk Rupang at the MAWKHAR Christian Higher Secondary School, Shillong, wherein cooking utensils, warm clothing and beddings and a cash amount of Rs 500 were distributed to 9 out of the 10 underprivileged families from across the KHASI and JAINTIA Hills region. The Deputy Commissioner of East KHASI Hills District, Isawanda Lalu, graced the function as chief guest. Others present were editor of the KHASI Vernacular Rupang, R.M. Shabong, secretary of Shlem Iarap Kiba Duk Rupang, besides other members of the organization. Speaking during the function, the DC of East KHASI Hills District, Isawanda Lalu, expressed her appreciation towards the organization for its efforts in extending help and support to those in need. She added that it would be a great blessing to others if each individual would also lend a helping hand not only on special occasions but at all times to the poor and underprivileged.
But hindi bedon timut haduk kata-kata yang ini. Mintong hadap tak timut yang play nong buat nong tau. Kapdeng ketika siap, kapdeng ketimbungkan, kapdeng si baru si pengilayat inti. Bula ayla din kanya tinduk kumi. But isa kisi la omba la adap si kusem. Kajing seng ya ketika seng betul ya seng sing Arab ketika sin ke benitong si bagi kot itu official dan dia isi lagi sistem kepada ladep galeno lapot bagi wei pat ki nong dan bentar dan ki nong tremon subha ki pastor ki padal ki lamba ki sim lagi por bentar ki program ki barat ki long ki hambian lagi dah ki berker kalau program ki bersongkia kalau program ki bedon sing mudah untuk kata-kata kalau program ki betulung kita mensir kejangan hanya sekian berkalung program kapan saai buat kinuksa yang kiwaipat